Hi, this is Baiju here and I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I'll be discussing about a disease named as mastitis, which is widely affecting our cattle, especially cow, sheep, goat, buffalo. We know cattle plays a major role in terms of milk products. Now we will understand what is mastitis disease and what is the reason for it and how to cure mastitis disease. Mastitis disease will affect the udder part, which is holding numerous milk secreting glands. Once your cattle get affected with mastitis disease, entire flow of milk will be blocked from its way, and this is a serious threat for your cattle. Twice a day, farmer perform milking process. Assume a cow is secreting around 6 liters of milk by morning. While performing milking process, teats acts as an outlet for milk. For a cow, there are 4 teats. If a cow is secreting 6 liters of milk by morning, each teats may carry around 1.5 liters of milk. Once your cow is affected with mastitis disease, some kind of impurities get developed inside the milk secreting gland, and this is gonna block the milk from its way. Now we will understand what is the reason for mastitis disease. Researchers says that bacteria getting inside through tiny holes present in the teats from an unclean shed may result into mastitis disease. And according to our understanding, cattle lives in an unclean environment, so the earlier statement may not be true. We found that cattle secreting more quantity of milk may also result into mastitis disease. Now we will understand how to cure mastitis disease. If you speak with a farmer who is more than 60 years of age about the food plan for their cattle in those days, they may say like this: in those days, we allow our cattle to graze themselves in an open environment. This increases the chance for at least one herbal plant altogether at the time of grazing. Nature has dedicated numerous herbal plants. Each of them were capable of curing a disease. Now, most of the cattle farm decides and same variety of grass will be feeded for their cattle, which means hybrid variety of grass, and there is no chance for a herbal plant altogether while consumption. Before years, we faced the serious threat in our cattle farm. It is impacting us in a financial way because entire production unit is down. Later, we started analyzing each and every herbal plant which is effective against this mastitis disease. Finally, we came with a solution which is 100% effective against this disease. Today morning, we realized one of our cow is affected with mastitis disease. If you touch each of the teats, you can feel some kind of difference. Here you can feel some kind of abnormalities with this teat. It seems some kind of pain is there. That is the reason it is not allowing us to touch the teat. At present, 3 teats were affected with mastitis. We have prepared a herbal powder which will cure this mastitis disease. You can take some banana leaf and for a cow we can take 50 grams of herbal powder. Fold the leaf you can feed the herbal powder like this. If you find any difficulties, you can mix the herbal powder along with food. Now you may ask, is there any food restrictions need to follow? The answer is no, there is no food restrictions to follow. Even we can supplement this herbal powder with 25 grams to a cow which is not affected with Mastitis disease. This cow is very much happy to have this herbal supplement. Now we will take 25 grams of herbal supplement and we will feed to a cow which is 6 months pregnant. This cow is 6 months pregnant and we are feeding 25 grams of herbal powder. Even we can feed the herbal powder to a calf as well. There is no problem at all. Now we can feed this to a calf as well, so there is no restrictions at all. This is going to act as a supplement and increase the immunity power as well. Now it is almost 3 hours after feeding the herbal powder. We need to perform milking process, and this will allow all the impurities present in the milk secreting glands towards outside. If you see, this teat is carrying some watery content. As I said earlier, some kind of impurities are present in this milk secreting gland. So after feeding the cow with the herbal powder, the impurities present in the milk secreting gland were taken out. This particular teat is carrying some milk content. After 6 hours of first herbal supplement, we need to feed the cow again with 50 grams of herbal powder. Repeat the milking process every 3 hours. This will allow all the impurities towards out. After 2 days, the cow is fully recovered from mastitis disease. Now we will perform milking process. You can see all the 4 teats were carrying milk.
வந்து 12 லிட்டர் 13 லிட்டர் பால் 2 விளக்கு இருக்கும். பால் கம்ப்ளீட் தீர மகாடு சரியாட்டு பால் தீர போகுது. உள்ளே இல்லாமல் கலந்துடும்.
വെള്ളം കഴിക്കാം If you like this video, share with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel for further updates. If you have any queries, write in the comment section. For more details, read the description below. Thanks for watching.